Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to do the installation of Makulu Lindoz 2025 ISO on our system. So we are going to install a virtual machine on my system. The size of this ISO is 4.2 GB and it is based on the Ubuntu LTS release. Now let us start with the installation, and you have to use the Ubuntu template. And mind well that it will not work in the UEFI mode while it is being installed on a GNOME boxes. So you have to use the BIOS mode only. It does not work. I tried it earlier, but it is not working. So I had to make this another video. Let us start with the installation. So you can see here there are different modes are available. You can go with the live mode, tap to edit, load to RAM, safe mode is there, memory test, boot from hard disk the old way, and the help is also there. So we are going to use the first mode, that is the boot live mode. Okay, so this is the desktop of Lindoz. It is a cinnamon desktop. First thing that we are going to do is let us try to increase the screen resolution where it is.
Hello, I'm Electra. I am left corner.
Okay, so it is some kind of introduction only.
On the far right end of the panel, you'll see your system icons and the system clock. There are several useful icons on the desktop, including a shortcut to the tutorials. It is highly recommended that you watch the tutorial videos, as they are extremely informative. At the top of the screen, you'll notice frames, which appear as buttons attached to the edge of the screen. These buttons function as folders that expand downwards when clicked, revealing their contents. There is also an Electra AI button on the top right of the Frames panel, providing quick access to the AI chat interface. A messenger icon is available on the desktop. Joining the chat room is highly recommended for communication and interaction with other Makulu users. This also grants you immediate access to our Discord channel. Additionally, you'll find a Desktop Layout Manager shortcut on the desktop. This shortcut allows you to quickly access various appearance options, such as changing layouts, colors, and themes. Here are some other important highlights. The AI is deeply integrated into the core of the system and operates through a right-click mechanism. When you right-click on a file, AI options specific to that file type will be displayed. For example, right-clicking on an image will present options like Remove Background, Upscale, and Enhance. Regardless of the file you right-click on, you will be presented with the AI options available for that file type. This functionality extends to text, audio, and video files. Electra AI also offers voice options, allowing users to interact with Electra hands-free, which is a very useful and efficient option. The AI system in Makulu is designed for high automation and ease of use. Some AI features are available for free, while others require upgrading to the Pro version. AI technology is not free. It costs money to host and maintain such a complex and highly efficient system. Upgrading to the Pro version is highly recommended if you desire full access to all AI features on the system, as well as the newest models. We are constantly adding and patching through new AI features as we expand on the AI system. Pro users especially get to experience all these cool new features. Alternatively, you can join our Patreon membership and become part of our monthly membership system that keeps this whole system running. We hope you enjoy your experience using Makulu Linux. Don't forget to spread the word and tell your friends and share on social media. We mostly use word of mouth to get around. Goodbye for now. I'm sure we'll talk soon, and I look forward to our chats.
Okay, so first thing that we are going to do is we are going to check the resolution. First, we'll have to do resolution change. Where is this desktop? Okay, not desktop. I think display. Where is the display? X. Yes, display is there. We need to change this. Yes, now this is perfect. So this is how the desktop of Makulu Linux looks. We will start with the installation. Where is the installer? This is the live installer. And here you can set your download server location also. It is recommended. So first we will set our download server location. So that will check the nearest servers or mirrors that are available and change the mirrors that are we can say saved to the system. So we will get a faster download and faster installation using this. So let us start. So this is just like what we see in the Linux Mint. The same application that is available in the Linux Mint, that is the software sources, is available here. Here you can change between the mirrors. You can see here different mirrors are there. You can change between the different mirrors. I will just show you. These are the 3 mirrors available. I don't know about this strangle net. It is near or away from me. But here in India, I think you will be better instead of going for the US mirror or the strangle net, because I don't know the location. So what I will do is I will just keep with the default mirror, that is the makulu.eu mirror. That is good enough for me. And now it is saving the repo selection. You can see here it is saving it. Then I think once let this complete first, then I will show you. You can also add PPAs, you can add additional repositories, you can manage the authentication keys and do the maintenance on the different repos keys and all those kinds of things using the maintenance tab here. Just let this complete, then we will go ahead. Okay, so now the cache is updated. I will just show you the PPA, how the PPAs, these are the PPAs. So there is a PPA for the graphics driver from the Ubuntu that is already enabled here. You can see here. And there are many other Ubuntu is there. It is a boot repair application. So the PPA is there. The sources also are available. PPA sources are also available. You can check this out. Grub customizer is also available. Then in the additional repositories, you can see these are the repositories enabled by default from Ubuntu. Backports is also there. Jammy updates. If you want update this backports are also available. You can enable them. These are the different authentication keys, and you can do maintenance to fix the merge list problems, residual configuration purge, remove duplicate entries of repositories, add missing keys, remove foreign packages, downgrade foreign packages, all different kinds of things you can do. Once this is done, now you can start the installation. So this is the CalMRS installer. Very perfect. It has found our location. Now you have to just set the keyboard layout. That's it. And we are going to use the erase disk only method. I don't want to go in manual partitioning. Let us go fast ahead, because I have shown you many times. I don't want to show you again and again same things. We will just take a good look at the installation process, how the installation process goes on in Makulu Linux. What are the any differences are there in the installation? That's why I'm taking you through the installation. Otherwise, you know the installer very well. CalMRS, the manual installation I have shown you many times. Let us quickly finish the installation, and in the next video we will check out the desktop, and after that we will check out all the AI features whatever is available in the free Linux Lindoz ISO. I will show it to you, and if I get hands on the pro version, if okay, so the installation is complete, and we will stop the video here. In the next video we will check out the Makulu Linux desktop. See you in the next video. Bye bye.